Hello, Markham. And after one of the snowiest and what feels like the longest winters our city has seen in nearly 80 years, it's great to welcome the arrival of spring. And I want to take a moment to highlight the incredible effort of our operations team. Their work through this extraordinary winter and their swift transition into spring maintenance ensures our city is ready for residents to enjoy as the warmer months arrive. From managing historic snowfalls to repairing roads, sidewalks, and streetlights, none of this would have been possible without their skill, commitment, and professionalism. This winter's repeated freeze-thaw cycles put a real strain on our roads, but our crews are already out there taking action. We repair an average of 2,700 potholes every year, and with over 1,100 already completed. With the help of advanced AI technology, we're able to identify and repair road issues more efficiently. We're proud to have received the City Rover Community Award for Industry Advancement and the 2025 International Road Federation's Global Road Achievement Award. These honors highlight Markham's leadership in using AI-powered technology to improve road safety, enhance pavement assessments, and deliver smarter, more reliable, and sustainable infrastructure management. You can help too by reporting concerns through our Report a Problem service at markham.ca. As the warmer weather arrives, I hope you'll enjoy our many parks and trails, and let's continue to support our staff by doing our part to keep Markham beautiful. Dispose of household waste at home, keep our parks clean, and follow our city's guidelines, including the proper use of fireworks as we celebrate throughout the summer. Together, with the hard work of our dedicated staff, we can ensure Markham stays clean, safe, and beautiful for everyone this season. So here's to longer days, greener spaces, warmer weather, and a wonderful spring in Markham.